How to fix League of Legends Reconnect loop. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix internet or network issues on your PC using two quick methods. So make sure to watch the video till the end and let's get started. For the first method, click on Search and type Troubleshoot Settings. Open it and then click on Other Troubleshooters. Now scroll down to find Network and Internet and click on Run. It will scan for any issues and try to fix them automatically. Once it's done, check if your issue is resolved. If not, move on to the second method. Click on Search and type CMD. When the window opens, type the following command: ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. Now type netshwinsock reset. And press Enter again. After this, restart your computer. Your network issue should now be fixed. That's how you can fix League of Legends Reconnect loop easily and professionally. That's all for the video. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.